Hey, good morning. Good morning, Coach Burt. How you doing, guys? Probably, what time is it? 7:59. Got my workout in. Thank you to Daniel Hodges, who came in and worked out with me at Rockbox for a great workout. Now I'm back at the lodge packing for an incredible day here with Purpose to Profit. Then I'm going EXP Sprint in Nashville. Then I'm flying to Johnson City, Tennessee for Aqua Living Sales Summit. Come on, folks. And while I'm talking to you this morning, Amanda Beener, I'm watching this little unit right here wander around and pick things up. Looks like he's getting into the cleaning business. He's cleaning. He's got all kinds of things, guys. I was listening to a video this morning, and I was thinking about this Purpose to Profit event that I'm teaching. Ultimate goal here is abundance, prosperity, affluence. And where this starts, go ahead and pull that out, Eli. Where this starts, man, is it starts in your mind. See, I remember a saying, money doesn't grow on trees, it grows in the garden of your imagination. If you can dream it, you can go get it. That seems like a big level thought. It's like, man, hard to go get that, Rochette. But at the end of the day, man, it comes back to one thing. It comes back to money changes hands, Derek, when problems are solved. Selling, Frenchie, then comes right out to just one thing, Arlene, going out today and finding problems for folks. And believing that you have a unique skill set, you have a unique talent, you have a unique purpose, you have a unique, that can solve that problem. So remember this saying, Tiffany, money changes hands when problems are solved. To have affluence, Blake Weaver, and abundance, you first have to have an abundant mindset that there is no finite supply. The finite supply is infinite, unlimited, if you can solve problems with a skill set. So as I've been teaching, right, Eli? As I've been teaching Purpose to Profit over the last 2 days, Malcolm, I've been thinking about this, man. You go there first in your mind. All things are created twice, first mentally, then physically. You go there in the mind before you go there in the body. And if you can't ever go there in the mind, you never can go there in the body. See, I was a high school basketball coach. I was living an abundant life, but I didn't think about money, Anthony Starks. I didn't think about any of those things, man. I just got up every day, worked the muscle, improved the skill set, right, Eli? And got better. And every day I got better, we got more opportunity, didn't we? You want to say something to the people? And as we got more opportunity, I know what he wants. He wants to climb up in that bathtub. All right. There you go. Hey, let the little man do what he needs to do in the mornings, right? As I got more skills, I got more opportunity. It's almost like the parable of the talents. You use the talent. You show a demonstrated capacity to use the talent. The talent solves a problem for another person. The world comes calling Jeff Wright for that skill and that talent. And the stronger the skill, John Hart, the more the demand. The stronger the skill, right, Eli? He's laughing at me. The more the demand. The weaker the skill, the weaker the demand. The more demand, the more abundance, the more affluence, the more prosperity. But it all starts, man, right here. So I hope to see you. I'm going to be out on the road. I'm going to be in Dallas, Texas. Where am I going to be? Johnson City, Pigeon Forge, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas. So you guys say, good morning, Camellia. Congratulations. Eli says hello. We get some things done this morning. He's got the cleaning supplies out. We're talking about abundance, and we're talking about prosperity, and we're talking about affluence, and we're talking about how to take talent and purpose all the way to profit, folks, because that's what we do. You guys have a great day. Everybody needs a coach in life. Go get it. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Michael Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence? A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place. People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit. You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need. So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The
The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion.
You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate.
Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no?
When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came.
And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.